Check 1 2. Today, how to make the best, yes, I'll say it, best at-home stain remover using 3 ingredients. Simply add this magic concoction to the toughest of stains, and just like that, gone. Here's how you make it. Ready, set, go. You need hydrogen peroxide, your baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, and some dish soap. Really doesn't matter what brand as long as it has the degreaser, which most dish soaps like this do. A cute little bottle like this is also helpful. Not a must, but I got this from Target for like 97 cents, I think. And then a funnel. Again, also not 100% necessary, but helpful. Take your funnel, add about 20 to 30%. These are rough measurements. Fill up the bottle 20 to 30% with baking soda to start. Use the hydrogen peroxide to get that percentage of the bottle up to about 90%. And then once you're there, fill up the rest with dish soap. You can shake it up as you go or all at the end, but make sure it's really well mixed in. Also, I learned the hard way. I would, after you're done shaking it up, keep the top open. Mine, I wouldn't use the word exploded, but it kind of exploded on me. All right, before we go any farther, let's just take a second and look at this beautiful lighting that I have right now. It's about 6 o'clock, so it's golden hour. Moving on. This project wouldn't be complete unless I labeled this bottle for exactly what it is as super soap. I should have done super stain remover. Triple alliteration. This will have to work for now. Here's my inspiration. That's one of my favorite parts of this movie. You just put a cool label on it and it's all of a sudden magic. All right, I could stop now and you could just trust me that this works. However, I'm gonna go like 5th grade science experiment kind of level here. I'm gonna make a few stains on this white pillowcase with some different things. Honestly, these are things that I most often stain my clothes with, and then I'm going to use the super soap it's bad to remove said stains and see how it works. All right, we have your classic just black coffee, no creamer or frills to lighten it up, oil, just olive oil, red salsa, and staying in the same color theme, red wine. Each one of these, I'll just take a spoonful here, as you can see, dollop it on the pillowcase. Again, this really does feel like an experiment that I would do and bring to class and show my classmates. I don't know. Went a little bit heavy on the wine. Had to take some of that back. Surprise, it tasted like salsa. All right, now for the fun part. Take your stain remover. Be generous with how much you use. Put it all over the stain. Oh, by the way, I did let these all dry as well. I didn't just do this, immediately afterwards. I gave it about an hour to let this dry, but put on plenty. Once you've done that, you can either wipe it in with your hands or kind of mush it around a little bit, but I like to grab a toothbrush, some fine bristles, work it out of the fabric, and we'll obviously speed this up because I did this for quite a while. Doesn't hurt to be nice and thorough in this part. Then just take it over to your sink, run it through some water, and really just rub those fibers together. I did this for probably close to 45 seconds or a minute. And then you take it over to the wash. Throw it in the laundry like a normal load. I made sure I had other towels. I wasn't just gonna do a whole load with just this. Threw it into the wash, put in normal detergent. Again, just totally normal cycle wash. And then threw it in the dryer. You're just watching me do laundry. This part actually, this is very real. I didn't just take all the laundry out like I probably should have. I just sat here and searched for the one piece of fabric to show you. It took way too long. Finally found it. Here we go. The big reveal. Look at that. No stains. And this is actually the same piece of fabric that I used. Again, a simple 3 ingredient super stain remover soap. I'm a big fan of this stuff. We always keep it around. A few tips and tricks that go with this. You can do this on any clothes. It doesn't have to be white. A good set time for this soap is about an hour, but that rinse in between the laundry is super important. You want to make sure to do that. I also, again, would highly recommend the toothbrush. You're just getting into the fabric way finer than you would be able to with just a washcloth or something. Last tip, and this one might seem obvious to anyone that's tried to get a stain out before, the quicker you can act on it, the better. I waited a while and with my stains just to see exactly how powerful this stuff is, but if you can go through this process immediately after making the stain, you're gonna have a much better chance for it coming out of your clothes. All right, friends, that's all I have for today. If this was helpful, subscribe. And if it wasn't, don't subscribe. I think it's as simple as that. So I'm really hoping your stain comes out. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.